Hey techies, this is Abbas from Coders Yard. In this video, we are going to see what is a loop in programming and what are the types of loops in Python and how to use a while loop. But before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Now let's go back to the topic. So what is a loop? Loop is used to do a particular task over and over again instead of writing the code again and again. So let me tell you an example. Say I'm printing hello. I'm running the script and see it's working. But what if you want to print this statement, say suppose for 100 times or 1000 times, then it will be a huge task, right? In that case, we must use a loop. There are two types of loop. One is while loop and another one is for loop. So today we are going to focus on while loop. So what is a while loop? While loop gets executes repeatedly as long as the condition is true. Let me tell you with an example. Imagine like you are preparing for an exam and you have to learn 5 chapters for that exam. You will learn until you complete that 5 chapters, and once you complete all the chapters you will stop learning, right? And that's the condition. The loop must get executes until you complete the 5 chapters, and once you're done with all the chapters the loop must get terminate. So now I'm writing as chapter equal to 1, that is, imagine like you're in a first chapter. So now I'm writing a while loop. So the syntax of while loop is while and a condition and a colon, and this is the syntax of while loop. So now I am replacing a condition like chapter must be lesser than or equal to 5, that is the loop must get execute until the value of chapter reaches 5. So let me print a statement here. So we must follow the proper indentation. So I'm giving a tab space and print of learning chapter, and I'm printing the value of the chapter. So I'm using the variable here. So imagine like if you're done with chapter 1, you will move to the next one, right? In that case, I'm incrementing the chapter value by 1. So chapter equal to chapter plus 1. Like if you're in chapter 1 and you completed the chapter, you will move to the chapter 2, and so I'm incrementing this value. So let me run the script. Oh, oops, it's printing an infinite loop. So let me terminate this, okay, by pressing Ctrl plus C. Okay, where it went wrong. So chapter and while, oops, see, we have misspelled the word chapter. Okay, we all learn by mistakes, right? So let me run the script and see it's printing learning chapter for 5 times. So what's happening behind the screen? Okay, let us debug and check it. So friends, now the chapter value is 1. Okay, so 1 is lesser than or equal to 5, and that's true, right? Condition is true. So it will print the statement, and here it will increment the value by 1. So now the value is 2. So 2 is lesser than or equal to 5, right? And again it will print the statement second time, and now it will increment the value by 1. So now it's 3, and 3 is lesser than or equal to 5. And for the third time it will print the statement and it will increment the value by 1. And now 4 is lesser than or equal to 5. And again for the fourth time it will do the same task and it will increment the value by 1. And for the fifth time 5 is lesser than or equal to 5. In that case we have mentioned equal to, so the condition is true, right? And for the fifth time it will print the print statement here, and it will increment the value by 1. So the value changes to 6. Now 6 is lesser than or equal to 5. Now the condition is false, right? So the loop gets terminated and it will be out of the loop. If I print something like, say, loop loop ended, now the value will be, now you can see the loop. See, it's printing for the 5 times, and when it reaches for the 6th time it will exit from the loop and it will print as loop ended. So that's all, friends. This is how while loop works. Let's stop here for today. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for more Python videos.